Tingnan natin. Oho! From Japan pa po itong ating rider. Hindi ko alam kung naiintindihan niya pinagsasabi ko. Pero sige lang, galingan mo lang. Alright. Ganito pala mag-ride ng mga Japanese. Oh! Figure eight. Kita niya naman ang control. How he shows so much control on his motorcycle. I'm almost out of words. Napakagaling. Perfectly. I'm speechless. Perfectly executed. Palakpakan naman po natin from Japan. Ang ating guest contender. Wala kasabi-sabi. Parang napakalaki ng motor pero wala akong maririnig na sabi. Oh my goodness. Now entering the narrow flag course.
Let's go, puta!
Alright, with 1 minute and 5 seconds on the clock, halfway on the course. Maging sa smooth surface and rough surface, perfectly executed. Making a U-turn with 1 minute and 19 seconds. Ang bilis po ng ating performer. Halfway. Alright. Napakagaling. Hindi ko alam paano sabihin sa Japanese yung ang galing-galing mo eh. Pero ang galing eh. Oh! Ang ganda! Oh! It's alright! It's alright! Naano kasi, nabawin na kasi. Chinese kasi yun. Ay, nausog ka! Mamaya nalalarin ko! Alright! Pero kahit na, maganda pa rin yung performance. Nice! Alright! Let's see how he does the zigzag once again. Second time around. Tingnan natin. Okay, mukhang yung talagang ating narrow flat ang nakuha ng time at penalty. Figure eight. Once again, perfectly done. Maraming control. So much control in the motorcycle. And now entering the circle with 2 minutes and 27 seconds on the clock. About to finish. Final. Woo! Kita nyo naman, nag-video pa si Sir. Ikaw na nakapan lang naman. Dahan-dahan yan, ganyan sana. Slowly but surely. Dahan-dahan. Be familiar with the course and master the course. Okay? Yung mga ganito pong course, hindi po yung nakukuha sa biglaan. Talagang dapat precision, attention, agility. Control, sobrang control. Okay, perfect executed ang kanyang circle at kanyang figure eight. Ito naman sa kanyang zigzag. Tingnan natin kung anong gagawin niya sa slalom, confident drive. Tatama kaya ang mga drums. Oh, sa ngayon wala pang tama. Parang tumitigil ang mundo ni Sir Hakaban ha. Sir, parang nanginig yung cellphone. Pero parang hindi naman. Isa na lang. Now entering the narrow flat. Dagdag ng gas, pagandaan. Okay, perfectly executed. Now, ready kami naman. Yan. Ganyan mga ganyang moves po, iingatan po niya kanyang spine. Kasi alam niyo na dito pag mga rough surfaces, may tendency na mag-bump yung ating motorsiklo, yung ating gulong, at ma-injure ang ating spine. Okay, pabalik na po siya. Now, still doing the rough road course with so much agility. Dahan-dahan, precise, movement. Talagang malang-malang sa malang-malang sa tatay. Malang-malang sa tatay. Now doing, oh, it's alright. Upo na. Alright, nalimutan ko umupo. Yung po yun eh. Nakakalangat road pa rin. Okay. Pasok pa rin yan. Bayang. Okay, palakpakan naman po natin. Malapit na, kapasok na sa kanyang figure of 8 course. Dito pa lang sa kanyang pagkat, malinis. Figure of 8, now performing in figure of 8. Dahan-dahan lang, pero maganda ang execution. 2 minutes and 47 seconds on the clock. 2 minutes and 51 seconds. Now doing the final 2 turns on the circle. Kita nyo naman yung mga marshal natin, buhay talaga sa pag-guide sa ating mga contenders. Okay, almost about to hit 3 minutes and 8 seconds on the clock. 3 minutes, stop! 3 minutes and 11 seconds. 3 minutes and 11 seconds.